Hey guys, welcome back to another episode at Supreme Games. Today we have partnered up with the Perfume Workshop and we're going to try and create our very own unique scents.
And this also serves as a really nice gift if you're looking for something special for your significant other. They also have couple workshops where you can have a bonding session while you create perfumes for each other.
That's right, and you're even able to put your own name on the bottle, adding a touch of personalization to them.
So without further ado, let's introduce our team names. We are Team Dior.
We are Team Chanel.
So the perfumers are Xing Ying and Li Fang, and you get to see them later in the video.
Let's get started!
The game rules. There will be a total of 2 rounds. In the first round, a quiz of 6 questions will be posed. The team that gets the right answer first wins a point. The team with the most points advances to the next round.
Now we're gonna start the quiz. First question. There are ideal places to spray perfume on your body and they are called pulse points. Which of the following 2 are correct? Go!
A behind the neck and C. Yeah. The crease of the elbow.
Okay, wrong.
Oh no.
A behind the ear.
Oh no.
And
3.
C at the crease of the elbow.
Okay, correct.
The nose points are your hottest part of your body. So how perfume works is it uses the body heat to evaporate and bring out the smell of the perfume.
What is the difference between eau de parfum and eau de toilette?
Toilet.
What is the difference? Okay, A, they are different in concentration. B, they are just fancy names. C, depends on the design of the bottles. And D, different brands use different names. 1, 2, 3, go!
Concentration. A.
Correct. What are some tips to help your perfume last a little longer throughout the day? Okay, which of the following are correct? A, buy a higher concentration of perfume. B, spray on clothes instead. C, apply body lotion before spraying your fragrance over it. And D, layering perfume. There may be more than one correct answer. 1, 2, 3, go!
A and C.
Wait, say A.
No, still then. This is A.
A, increase the concentration. C,
C is the spray on clothes. This is A, B, C and No. A is increase the concentration. B is apply on the clothing. Yeah. C is layer after lotion.
Okay.
And D is layer the
Correct. All correct. Name 2 factors that impact how different the same perfume smells on everyone. Open-ended. 2 factors are 1, 2, 3, go.
skin. Your body skin, the smell.
Your body smell, okay? And
Gender.
wrong.
10. Body heat and perspiration.
Okay, wrong.
Body temperature and skin texture.
Skin texture. Wrong.
Skin texture.
Wrong. Okay,
Rob can retain more.
body temperature is wrong.
Huh?
Team Chanel.
We pass.
Pass, okay.
The diet, and the size.
Everybody got their own.
Body odor.
No, not older, not older.
Not odor, not smell.
Nothing about smell.
Wait, we have one answer.
Okay.
Your own body got produced oil, which will affect the smell.
That's correct. Why is she better? A, because of 6th sense. B, because of bigger nose. C, because of more hormones. D, more neurons. Or E, more organs. 1 correct answer. Go.
C. C. More hormones.
Wrong. Yes.
6th sense.
Letter?
A.
Okay, wrong.
Okay. D.
D?
Yeah. Neurons.
Okay,
Neurons.
correct. How can you tell that a perfume is expired? Open-ended. Go. Closest answer wins.
The scent is no longer there.
The scent is very diluted.
Diluted. No. Diluted is correct.
Like not so high.
Half point. Half point. Okay, half point.
Half point, okay.
The smell is different from when you just bought.
Yes, elaborate. How different? It smells a certain way.
Sour.
Yes, correct. Our winner is Team Dior. Yay!
In this round, the winning team members will compete against each other. The perfumerists and the other team members will vote for the best scent.
Now that we have come to the end of the perfume workshop, we'll be doing a blind vote on the best scent here.
Okay, you all can turn around now.
Oh my god!
Oh, that's surprising! Wow, that was very unexpected because I felt that Samantha's one was the best. But may I know, can I ask like one person from here why you like my scent? Maybe I should ask the perfumer.
I like it because it's very fresh and floral. It's very refreshing and I feel like I want to wear it myself.
Wow, thank you, thank you.
Oh my gosh, that was really fun, right guys? I'm so happy to have my own perfume. I'm going to use it every day.
Once again, thank you to the Perfume Workshop for today's collaboration and the kind perfumers for today's participation.
If you're interested to make your own perfume, you can click on the link below and find out more.
We'll be giving away free workshop for a couple and worth $250. If you are interested, please check out the description.
Thank you so much for watching. Do let us know in the comment section down below your thoughts on creating your own unique perfume scent.
And if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like. And if you want to see more of such content, subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!